Good morning, everybody. I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We are Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Tuesday morning and late morning, but we're going to go ahead and start picking what pulled for us. We do have a lot going on today, though. I'm in the middle of editing our latest YouTube video, and we've got some of this stuff to sort out. But Kathy's going to show us what we're picking this morning.
All right, so first up, box CA, I sold a Torrid sweatshirt.
Like a barrel of monkeys.
So yeah, this is a Mickey Mouse, like all over print. So this came from that vintage, like how I said I bought 3 shirts for myself and I didn't like any of them. So I sold the one the other day. Now I sold this one on eBay for $24.95 plus shipping. I sold the same day I listed it, so that was a good pickup. Yeah, because I only have about $5 and some change into it. So yeah, very happy that I bought that stuff, even though it didn't fit me. All right, box 8E. I sold this JoJo something. This is the brand name, but
Oh, that's
yeah, it's
hard
a
to
little
say.
bit too fancy for me to say all the way. I've had this forever. I thought it would sell a lot quicker, but it didn't. It finally sold for $20 plus shipping. I bought it at Once Upon a Child for $6.50. I thought it'd sell around $30 to $35. But yeah, still pretty decent, 20 plus ship. Oh, that one sold on Mercari. And then in box CP, we actually have 2 items. First up, this is a Matilda Jane dress. It's like a bigger kid size. This has taken forever to sell, well over a year. So when I had a watcher this morning, I sent them an offer of $17 free ship. I have $5 into the dress, so it's not going to be much profit at all, but it's getting gone, and that's good enough for me. And then a pair of Merrell. So these were from the bins from my stimulus check challenge. So I have about $1 into them. They sold for $19.95 free ship. They'll probably cost $4 something to ship out.
Those are in the same box, huh?
Yeah. And box DG, a pair of Vans. So those are some checkered Vans. I actually bought these from a friend off Kitizen. I think I paid $28 for them. My son's feet are too wide. They just don't fit in them. So sad because I love the shoes, but they don't fit him. So I had to resell them. And I ended up selling them for $30 free ship. So I'll lose some money on those. It is what it is. And then box AJ, a pair of Olivia and Luca sandals. So those are some super cute little star rainbow sandals. I got these at the Raylana consignment sale, so I did pay $10 for them. They sold for $34.95 free ship, and the shipping only cost $3.85 through Kitizen. Oh, so the rest of these are Kitizen sales, I believe. Because, yeah. I had 5 Kitizen sales last night. It's because I listed a bunch of new items and I joined a share group. So, yeah. When
Sharing,
I don't do
yeah.
those things, I maybe make like 1 sale a day, so.
It definitely shows on Kitizen when you share.
So then box AE. So these burgundy Converse. These actually were my son's as well. I bought these off Facebook Marketplace, like from a neighbor for $15. My son wore them maybe once or twice. They're still in great shape. And I sold them for $25 free ship. So I'll make my $15 back, but probably not much more. And then AZ. Just a bunch of our kids' stuff that sold so far today, but that's all right. It's money back in our bank, even though it's not profit. So this is just a Cat and Jack, which is Target brand. It just says Fearless. It's just a t-shirt. And if you know that Target clothes, this shirt probably cost $4.50 to begin with, and I sold it for $8.95 free ship. So I probably made my $4.50 back. If I even paid $4.50, I feel like I never buy anything from Target unless they're like 20% off kids' clothes. So I probably paid less than $4, and yeah, I sold it for $8.95 free ship. Shipping's $3.85, so I'll make about $4 back on it. And last but not least, so far, it's early in the morning. Normally we do this at like 3 p.m. So we'll pop back in a little later. And
Yeah,
show
we'll
you
probably
the
have a few
rest.
more sales later.
The last thing that sold I hadn't got put to weigh it, but it's these little jogger pants. And these are the brand Little Bipsy. I just bought these for my son because I thought they were cute, and he wore them several times, and they're in really rough shape, but they still sold for $12 with free shipping, and shipping will be about $3.85. So I think I probably bought them for 10 to 12 off Kittizens, so I'll make most of my money back on those. But yeah, that's it so far.
That's it for what's sold so far. But so Kathy's going to be working through this bin here. Like I said, I'm working on this video, but I kind of wanted to show those boots that we kind of reconditioned. If you want to,
you're gonna put the pictures on the screen too.
Yeah, I'll put the pictures on the screen too. She just photographed this stuff this morning.
I did photograph this, so I'll be working on these today. By the time you see this video, they'll probably be all uploaded. So yeah, those Sorel boots. I found this little toy wheelchair. It's not like American Girl or any sort of branded, but I think it'll sell. So these are the Danner boots that Chris worked on, and I mean they're still rough, but if you remember, he'll show the pictures, but they were really, really rough when we got them. And they were from the bin, so almost nothing into them for cost of goods. So I think I'll still make a decent little profit off of those.
They look very comfy, like well worn in. And
then I'm gonna list these Nikes, these Merrells. It's funny, like I photographed all these while Chris made me a cup of coffee. So like it's just, that's how we do things, you know. We don't have a great system. We just kind of do things when we have time. So Chris's mom gave us a bunch of these.
Yeah, we refilled our stock. It was so funny. She got this huge box, and there was like pillows in it, and it came with all these bubble pop, these air cushions.
Pad the pillows.
So they padded the pillows with air pillows. It was funny.
Where's the other boots? Well, these are not.
You carried them up.
Over there.
So,
Okay.
Oh, here they are. Grab them. Some of these Wolverine boots.
So, I'm gonna list these Merrells. These are men's. A men's 10. These are missing insoles, but I think they'll still sell because the soles are really good and they're a hiking boot. Yeah, these were the Wolverine boots from that Ben's haul a while back.
Which pretty much the toes were kind of.
Yeah.
Which it shows, but it
still scuffed, but they're a lot shinier than before. But yeah, these were a nice pair of boots. I think they'll sell well. Now I just need to sell some of these boots so that we have room to put these off. List these Sauconys today. And another pair of Merrell, like mesh shoes. And those Brooks. And that was just my last Ben's haul that you guys probably just saw.
Ben's haul over there.
I finally found the receipt, so I'm going to get that stuff typed in today and then start photographing that probably tonight or tomorrow morning. And then this is just my pile that I said I wanted to get. I actually got through a lot of this yesterday, but then I added to it again. So.
Yeah. Oh, that was actually.
I know the brown North Face is in, but for women, this is a boy's jacket, so. I got this off Facebook Marketplace recently, and I might keep it for my son, but I'm going to list it really high. I don't know for what price yet, and see if it sells high, it's worth selling. If it sells for only like 40, then I'd rather keep it because this is such a nice jacket.
Yeah.
But yeah, I photographed probably 20 kids' items last night, and I listed most of them last night, so I'm still working on that. So this is just how we get things done.
Yeah.
But yeah, the only thing left, like how you guys have been seeing this pile for a long time, that's all that's been in that pile. So it's a lot smaller than it was, except for the new stuff I added to it. So I'm going to try to get this done today because that's the oldest stuff and I just want to get it. Like these rollerblades are probably going to sell for a really good amount and they've just been sitting for months and months. I photographed them. I just didn't list them.
Which it's probably better that they sell in the spring. I feel like
that's true.
Right now,
So,
not so much, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Stuff sells all year long, no matter what it is.
It's less than 10 items in here, I would say, to get listed, so I can definitely handle that.
So that's what we're working on today. We're going to go ahead and finish wrapping these what solds up and get them ready to ship off. And then we'll probably check back in when some other stuff sells later on. So, all right, guys. It's about 2:30 now. We had a few more sales. We're about to pick them. Kathy's just finding out where those were. But she's going to run to the bins. She'll show you what she did during the past couple hours. I actually was just going to give an update on our stimulus check challenge. And I kind of redid the whole spreadsheet, trying to get it ready for you guys to be able to download that. But you can kind of see over here, we have sold a total of, let's see, 29 eBays. So these are the stimulus check challenges. So we've had 29 of them sell on eBay, 10 of them on Poshmark. 2 of them, I think those were direct, so not technically buy, sell, trade Facebook, but we just put them in that category. Mercari, we had 25, and Kitizen, we had 3. So I don't know what the total of that is. I think it's, what, 70 or 69 of them? We've spent a total of $316.65. That's, again, not an exact. We have, for our trip 7, we have just 40 in here. I think it's $40 and some change, but the receipt's downstairs, so I just put 40. And so we are ahead of everything. We are 543 ahead.
So not much more than the last time we showed.
So not much more. Yeah, our sales have slowed down, but she wasn't sourcing a whole lot. She's been filling, or at least sourcing the bins stuff.
Like I've been buying. I'm not only sourcing at the bins. Like I'm still popping into regular thrifts trying to find shoes that sell for higher prices, and then getting those listed in between all the other stuff that we're doing. So just to kind of keep that average selling price a little higher. So,
but you know, we just finished up January, and January was it our best month?
Not like gross, but net. Yes.
I think net wise, it was our best month ever so far.
It was good. I was more than I thought we would.
Yeah.
This month. So.
It definitely doesn't feel like it was going to be our best month ever.
Especially considering a lot of what we sold. Like we sold 375 items, I think, and a lot of them were just like $10. You know what I mean? So like a lot of the stimulus bins items, but it added up to a lot at the end. So
yeah.
But if that's all we did, I don't think that. I mean, it'd probably be enough, but it'd be a lot harder to just do bins only. I think. I don't know. It's interesting. It's definitely something I haven't done before. So. And
keep in mind, guys, Kathy pretty much does all the listing and sourcing at this point in our business. I'm more here for YouTube and for taking care of kids and daily life stuff. Once both the kids are in the same school, we're really hoping that we'll be able to crank out both of us doing more sourcing and listing.
More everything.
So. Yeah. Anyway, you just got, what are these 10 items listed? Or?
Yeah, so I'll show you my sales, but yeah, like in the beginning of the video, we mentioned that we were going to, I showed you everything I had photographed, and I don't know if I feel like it's all of it. It's 10 items. I listed 10 items to Poshmark, so I haven't got them cross-posted yet, and obviously they're not put away because like some of them have like, some of the shoes have like hairs we need to like lint roll, but yeah, they're at least listed to Posh. The cross-posting would take maybe 30 minutes to do all 10 of them across 3 platforms. I'll probably do that this evening or maybe tomorrow morning since I'm going to be at the bins until dinner time. And then, yeah, so I like to do more than 10 items, but I'm happy with 10 because I forgot that, like, last night I had opened a bunch of tabs to cross-post and then forgot to cross-post them. So I spent a little bit of time doing that as well. So I didn't only list 10 items. I did cross-post all the items from yesterday and stuff like that. So, and then I bagged a couple things and sent some offers.
We finished bagging up what we had pulled earlier. And so we got these 3 other things to pull. But you are going to the bins. Is that going to be for a stimulus check?
Yeah.
Tonight? Okay.
I just haven't.
So part 8. Expect that to come soon.
I wanted to go to Goodwill really bad yesterday, and I didn't get a chance. So now I'm like really wanting to go.
Sourcing
Even
is
though I don't
her
need
therapy.
to because we obviously have plenty of things here. But
yeah.
All right. So box O.
Over
This
here
is a Mercari sale. These are just some Hannah Anderson pajamas. They're like a ghost, and they like glow in the dark. These are my son's. I'm pretty sure I bought this and another pair from the same person as a bundle for like $30. And then they sold on Mercari for 18 plus ship. So I probably made about my money back on those. These are my son's favorite. He loves glow in the dark and he loves anything like Halloweenish, jack-o'-lanterns and stuff like that.
We just bought him a bunch of Goosebumps books, and they might be a little bit too scary for him. He's in first grade, so he's an advanced reader, so he's scaring himself a little bit.
So this was a kind of surprising sale to me. I've seen other people sell vintage gymboree. This sold on eBay. This was one of the items I just cross-posted this morning, and then it sold already for $19.95 plus shipping. It's just a little baby gymboree vintage outfit, like, and it has a bunch of holes in it, which I showed and everything, and it's like faded, but I heard that it was good, so I saw this at Goodwill for 99 cents, picked it up, and I guess it was worth it. So I mean, I think $1 into 20 plus ship is worth it, but yeah, if I found that again, I would definitely pick it up, and I guess condition does not matter, so
much. I'm sure you'd probably make a lot more if the condition was better, right?
yeah. I mean, I don't know. The comps were showing like 25 to 30, so I thought I was going to have to wait till I ran a sale for that to sell. Alright, and then we sold another one of these swimming suits. This sold on Mercari. Like I said, I was sending some offers, and I got 2 sales on Posh from my offer, so I don't remember what these were listed at. I think they're down to 35. I need to relist them now that summer's coming closer, because these retail for like 60, I think, and since they're new, I'd like to get over 30 for most of them, like more like 30, 35, plus they pay shipping. So anyways, this one, it was listed at 35. I think I did send an offer of 30 with discounted shipping, so I make $21.88, and I paid $10 for them, so still doubled my money. But yeah, I'd like to at least make, come summertime, about a $15 profit off each, 15 to 20. So, but at the very minimum, doubling my money is good with me. So, all right, and then last but not least, CT. This is a pair of Asics, the Onitsuka Tiger shoes. These have done well for me every time I pick them up. I was kind of afraid these were a little bit too worn, but I don't think people really care. So these sold for an offer I sent out of $35 with discounted shipping. So I made $25.88, and I got those at Goodwill for $7. And now I'm sad because last time I was at the bins where I was like, I didn't find much. I left a pair of them because they just looked like extra dirty, and they were a light color, and I didn't want to like try to clean them. So I should have just got them and listed them dirty, and then they would have sold. So anyways, yeah, those are the 4 sales that came in since this morning.
All right, we're going to go ahead and pack those ones up, and Kathy's going to drop them off at the post office and head down to the bins. I think I'm going to get some lunch. It's going on 3 o'clock, and I'm kind of hungry. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.